Let's see how these flameless candles show up with an unboxing and first impression. They are wax, it looks like, the tapered candles, and here is the remote. Looks like there's a lot of options there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. And inside should be 6 of these candles. Look like they're packaged very well. Looks like there's no issues with the way that they came, which is nice. And the package said they were 9.6 inches long and 0.7 wide, which looks about right. Opening it was pretty easy. First impression, actually, this actually feels like a wax candle. Like it feels like a, let's see, battery turn on, I'm guessing. And, oh, it's cute. Wiggle, a little wiggle flame. Curious to see these lit up. But yeah, that really feels like wax. I'm actually kind of surprised. So taking off the base here, we should be putting in 2 AAA batteries. There we go. Pop these guys in. 2 AAAs. Let's see if this thing actually works. Screw this back on. And if we hit this black button, we should have some light. Here we go. Yay! Oh, that's pretty. Oh, nice. So I'm curious to see how they wiggle and flame. Trying the remote. Let's see. Off. Yes. On. Nice. So we'll have to put the battery in the other 5 and try them all at once. But overall, yeah, pretty impressed.